catching. This is us purchasing the, what is it, a fishing ticket, fishing license?
Yeah, that's not good.
With the photocopy?
We got video.
You know how we do.
Yeah,
Have you ever bought a fishing license before?
I don't think so.
Have I ever? I think I got one when he was tiny, little.
Yep. Then hit a bird again.
Here we are recording.
I thought you were going to do it on his tail. No, you get him right in the middle of his back, from the head down. That's the strongest part of it. And then his tail switches. He'd be out there switching his ass. You know what I mean? Yes. Let him switch.
Oh yeah, just so you know, we're on video with Marc Anthony. Anthony's the boy, 29 years old, baiting his first worm on the hook. How old are you? 32? Okay, edit. We're gonna put that part in there. We'll catch Papa doing the big cast. There goes Mr. OG Papa Fisherman. Wow! Holy moly! Hey, would you? That's just a cast.
I need a boat. I gotta go over there and get my bait.
Yeah. You're gonna be catching Chinese fish fishing that for.
That's all right.
That fish gonna have some slanty eyes.
And a bowl of rice?
Yeah. That fish is gonna come on the bank with a bowl of rice, Mark. Yeah, that's my boy. You can do it, son. Okay, you gotta do it because you're on video.
Alright.
Jason's gonna see this.
Oh,
okay. Edit. Edit that too. It's going to wiggle.
I'm sorry, bro.
Don't wait for it to stay still. Mark wants dead worm.
Alright.
No, it's not. Only Mark. Figure out how to. No, that's not gonna. There it goes working.
Yeah. I got him on the hook.
The video's over, man.
I just gotta keep him on.
Yeah, because you gotta wrap him around.
See that thick part of him?
Yeah.
Just double it on the thick part down there. Don't let him bite you.
Alright.
He's got a big mouth.
You know, them worms got sharp teeth, son.
See that strong area right in there?
Mm-hmm.
Just hook it right there and you'll be good to go, okay? You won't fall off so easy. Hook it.
Don't wrap it?
Hook it.
I got this one. I got it.
Mark versus the worm. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Worm fights back with a karate kick to the finger.
Oh, there's his brother on his That's good.
It's like 8 worms coming to get you.
Kill him.
Oh!
That's good, boy.
See?
It's only hooked on there one time.
Now get him again.
What catch?
I'm just gonna catch some.
But you want him to look natural.
Hey, I hooked it! No, he's on there. He's on there.
Okay.
He's on there and get out.
A minnow too? Video's over. Tired. I'm tired.
Oh, Mark, get that. What's another one over there? Oh, what's going on here, Papa?
Oh, he got it.
Mr. Papa strikes back.
Damn right. You're damn right.
Is that a catfish or trout? You got a double. Oh, you're in the catfish hole, man.
We're in the hole there,
You're in the
Mark.
catfish hole right now.
Mark, you still got him on
Holy
there?
moly.
Mark, you got him on there?
Yeah. He's coming.
Oh, that's a trout. Look at that beauty. Bring that sucker in here, Mark.
Come here.
Bring him in, Mark.
Come here.
Come on. Come on.
You're in the trout hole.
Bring him out.
There.
Oh, look at that.
Double trouble.
Can you
Double
shoot it?
trouble.
Woo.
That's a pretty
Wait a minute.
rainbow.
Hey, wait a minute. Pick him up, Mark. I think I beat you.
Let's see here.
Line
Good
up,
pull.
Mark.
Wait. Mine's mad. I got a mad one. He's mad. You can't put him up higher.
Those are small size fish there, gentlemen.
What do you say?
Man, I say let's get back out there and do it again. Look at that fella.
That's a nice.
You see that?
That's a good.
Nice fish there, Mark.
That's 12, 13.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Come on, baby.
Papa got double bang
Good
on the
fishing,
worm.
gentlemen. Where did the fish go?
In the bucket.
Either bucket.
You want that on tape too?
Yeah.
Or just the reeling them in?
Whatever you want. We ain't got time to talk.
De-hooking of the fish.
That's a big old trout.
That's a nice shot there, man.
Yes, it is. Go, Papa. Okay, that's Papa's fish, but I'm going to stand here. We'll erase the audio later.
Yeah.
Make a note of that. My fish. My line, my fish.
Don't mess with Papa. Why you messing with Papa? Why you messing with Papa?
Eat you a fish.
There he goes again.
That's a beautiful fish.
There he goes. Trout again?
Yeah.
Man, that thing's jumping like popcorn. I gotta get close up on this guy. We gotta study this guy. We might have to record him all the time.
Have his own show.
Just run the damn phone, the reel.
There he is.
Put that one back right there. I don't want to miss a beat. Man, these are beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
I'm talking about. Hold it, Baba. Hold it, Baba.
Down, boy. Let me see him. Put him up.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Papa don't have time. Gotta get back to work.
I don't be showboating. I'm catching.
That's my fish. Don't look at him.
Papa sit up here. Mark has no. Show him. I'm getting ready to get me a fish from Mark.
Show him later.
Show him when we get him home.
There he is.
I can't believe that. He want me to showboat. Oh, man.
Hey. Trout.
That's a boss fish now. Bad.
Uh,
Ain't that bad.
okay. Mark?
Sorry about that.
This ain't no party, boy.
Why are you getting all shitty, son?
Shitting out fish.
We're catching the shit.
Get it on, baby.
Look at Mark Anthony.
Get it on.
You ready to roll, Mr. Pop? I don't think the fish are ready.
Me all year.
Yeah.
Caught nothing. And they think they're going to jive. Hook up on me and late.
Jive talking.
I'm on this.
Jive talking. Mr. Fisher. I think we ought to change the whole family's last name to Fisher.
Yeah.
Mr. Fisher. Except you, Mark.
I was just thinking.
Anything over 5 inches? I'm taking it.
Now it's got to be a fisherman 5 inches.
This here.
Okay, just kidding, son. Watch, you gonna catch the biggest whopper in the whole world while I'm talking.
I'm taking them suckers.
Let's catch him. Let's do it!
Now worm again, Mark.
Worms, double worm. And I'm right next to you, too. That's disgusting. I mean, that's great, Papa. Well, you heard the word, son. Double worm.
I'm catching fish, so I'm warming it up then.
There you go. I'll do one, you do the other. Down your bobber.
Do a similar type deal?
You know what I do, though? See, Papa goes no bobber. When I do my bobber, I like to let it where it slides up and down.
Mm-hmm.
That way, they get the current. That's how I like to do it. Because you never know. I mean, you could set it at 3 feet.
Mm-hmm.
This fish might be at 3.5.
How do you make it slide?
There we go. There. Do what you want to do here. Grab it here and pull it down. And then just pull it down, put it in there, and then let it slide up. That way it goes.
Oh, just like that?
Yep.
And it won't fly off?
Nah, not with these. I've been throwing off them other two, matter of fact. But with the spring it won't. Alright, we're going to do it at the same time? Okay, watch. Do what I do. Huh?
Hook it in, slide it up.
Hold it like this. That's the, you want to look for the fat part. And then just put it in there and slide it around. See, watch this part. Push it up. Up. Yep. And you want to slide it. Because you want it to look like that at the end. Just keep sliding through, sliding through, sliding through, sliding through. Push it, keep pushing, push it. Push it. Yep. Let it come out. Perfect.
This one didn't move.
Perfect. That's perfect. See, because when the fish sees, because that's how a worm looks. So if they see it all twisted up, fishy. Minnow. Yep. There you go. You want to go right over here somewhere? That's my boy.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Got a cast master there. Look out, fishy. And make sure your line is tight, Mr. Mark. Always tight. Yep. Perfect.
How you doing, Mark?
I'm alright. I can arm a hook.
That's mine right there? Oh, you guys got my line too?
It's yours. What are you going to do about it?
Catch a fish? Catch a fish?
No, you gotta tighten it up.
It's gotta be a fish. Gotta be. No fish?
You fishing grasshopper?
Yeah.
Oh, is the string one of them?
Tighten it up. Yeah, right, keep tight. We'll bring all that out and then we'll clean them up.
What is that? It's not a fish.
Tighten it up.
You can't eat that. Oh.
When I take this off, you can go all the way tight.
Man,
Nothing out.
Papa catch 8 fish, I catch some weeds.
Nice weed.
That was a big one.
Some beautiful weeds.
Tighten them all the way up. Help it.
Yeah, if you want to throw that one out the other way too, you can. You can quit filming and start fishing.
Yeah, he's still on. He's got bait on. Hang him over to the left, right.
Yep.
Get him out of my hair.
How do you fishing is all pop?
Well, whoosh. Okay. Mark, you might be good at like chopping wood. Or
I'm really good at chopping wood.
I can see that.
I'm really good at chopping
You
wood.
see that commercial?
What?
Woodchucker? Stop chucking my wood. Oh, you see that?
No.
Woodchucker? And they just laugh at him and start throwing that wood in the river. Woodchucker? Stop chucking my wood.
You know, oh, that one gets snagged though. Woodchucker.
Woodchucker. That thing is so, and them cats are funny looking, Mark.
Oh, yeah?
Woodchucker. Sucking my wood. And they just laugh and kept throwing them logs out in the wood. They were sucking the wood.
That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, they got that on feed.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, keep your tip up. Keep your tip up and just relax.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Handle them one way together once in a while.
Sweep them back and forth. Confusion. There you go. Uh-oh, Mark Anthony on the prowl. On my pole.
Stay back. Stay back. Back up. Back up.
Back up. There we go. Bam. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot.
Yeah, I wish we could get Marcus involved.
I do too.
Alright, now we're about to fish out the mouth. How do I do that?
Alright. Man, what is that?
Your feet.
What is that? Look at that thing.
That's not.
Hold that
I
up.
think it's a bass.
Oh, and it got him good right in his lip.
Perfect. Hold him up by your
Hold
face.
the fish.
Oh, ID. Is it true? Did you do it? Did you do it?
And he's
That's my
spitting
fish.
your face.
He did. That's
Don't
my
get
fish.
this by a fish. Here, hold this. I'm gonna show you.
Alright.
This is Mark catching a fish.
That's my fish that he's de-hooking.
What's a good looking fish? What is? That's gotta be. Yep, smallmouth.
Yeah,
He always
that's
catch
a smallmouth.
bass. He always
That's
catch
amazing.
bass.
Oh, I
Always.
caught a smallmouth.
There you go. In the lip. Turn and twist. Okay.
Oh, now.
Didn't even hurt him. Look at him. He's happy. Kiss it. Kiss the fish.
I'm not gonna kiss the
Kiss
fish.
the fish.
Ooh-wee. Tastes like what? Probably tastes like a fish, huh?
Kind
Kind of fishy.
Something fishy's going on here.
This is my fish going in the fish bucket with all the
Bam.
fish.
The fish is mad. Yeah. Remember that, Pop? Oh, yeah?
Boy, that thing followed that. That had to be a bass right there that did that.
On Mark's or yours?
On mine.
Oh, yeah.
I moved and he followed.
Mm-hmm.
You think if I hook a well, I'll just do a worm. I'm good with the worm.
Worm.
Getting all the fish.
I think they're beginning to bite anything right now.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're ready.
Thing with worms, anything will catch a worm, but when it's minnow time, when they start catching minnows,
Yeah, they go
I
crazy.
remember the minnows.
yeah.
I remember.
Remember that, Pop, last time? I don't know, like 2-3 times ago? Minnow. Me and Pop got like 8 fish in a row. As soon as we got here, like bam, bam, bam. He got 2, I caught 2, I caught 1, he got a bigger one.
2 at a time.
Yeah.
Where'd you say those weights were?
I got some, I found mine. Pop's is there, but mine is.
What kind of weight you want?
I don't.
Yeah, I don't give a damn.
I don't know.
It's my
Well, you have something on there now?
No, I'm just doing a new one.
You gonna put a bobber on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me give you something. I'll hook you up.
Yep. Yeah, I got things to do. Mark is on fire.
He's on real fire.
That's what I get. Bringing Papa and Mark. I ain't gonna catch it. I'm gonna have to go to McDonald's to get my fish. What the hell? Go, Mark. Bam!
I'll bring you the bucket.
No, I don't need you to bring it over. Fish in my hand, he's mine.
That fish is not going anywhere. Bam! Look at the bucket. I need to get in the bucket. I believe Mark is a fisherman. I believe we got a fisherman here. All right, I'm feeling good.
Real good fish.
Good, Mark?
That round bobber I gave you when you first started fishing? Where is it?
That red one?
Yeah.
I think I gave it to my dad.
And I think I lost it in the lake.
Okay, because it's time to do some bobber.
There's that big one right back there.
Okay. Maybe we need to put our water on that. Now, what do you think?
Yep. Andre, it's a chick. Here goes. Man, my son just got man, this is third trout, dude. Damn it. They're killing them.
Grab it. Grab it.
Hell yeah, we got about 5 or 6 of them.
Can you see the hook to get it out?
That's what's up.
Down and out.
It's down in his mouth. Can I get that?
Hell yeah. Damn, they're catching shit. They're catching everything. I ain't caught shit. That's my boy. I gotta go. Alright, dude. Later. Yeah, I just told on you. Now you're in trouble with my employees because you're catching all the fish, son.
Sorry about that, Pop.
I don't think you are.
Hungry. I'm ready to just light him off the hook.
We should have just brought a loaf of bread.
It's a miracle.
That's my boy. Trout again, huh?
Was that a bass and 2 trout?
All right. Fisher guy.
Dry.
Give me the fisher face. Wow. That's ugly.
That's what I'm catching the fish with right there.
Is that ugly? It's ugly. You're in the sun. I can't see. We gotta get.
The fish.
Oh, it's ugly. It's ugly. Why are you so ugly?
Fish catching ugly right
ugly,
now.
ugly
I stay ugly, but right now I'm in fish catcher mode.
That's my boy. Do it. Do it again. Or leave me one. Again at the bucket. Mark with the bucket. We'll call you the bucket man. Do it. Do it. You need the pliers? Just gotta yank it. Won't come easy.
Ooh,
the
sharp
things.
on his back.
Oops. There you go.
Push it down. Always push it down.
Grab him.
Down and out. Down and out. Down. Down. Push it down. Down. Hit it.
There you go. Boom. There's Mr. Mark's fish.
And I even unhooked it that time.
And he unhooked it. Give me the fisherman face. Give me a fish face. That's a fish face. You're a fisherman. You can survive in the wild.
Oh, you right.
And the bucket. Bucket's getting full. I gotta get in the bucket. I love you, Mark. I love you too. Shut up, I'm busy. Yeah. I love you too. I'll talk to you later. I love you too. I love you, man. I just want to love some fish on my line.
Pappy catching the little one. They all count. You got him a little fish nugget.
I love you, man.
Yeah.
Hey, that ain't.
Oh, that ain't too bad.
That ain't no nugget. That's a sandwich. Got a sandwich?
There goes the sandwich.
That's a sandwich, bro. Man, we get the water boy to put some water on it.
Into the bucket.
I'll be right there.
Up! Mr. Fisherman! Mark. Alright. Right. Yank it! Yank it! Bam! Oh my goodness! There we go. What do we got? It's Mr. Trout season. Mr. Fisherman. There he is. What are you doing here, boy?
Well, like, that's what I'm saying. Keep me from going over there.
Ain't nothing biting over here, Papa. You stay over there. Look at him run away. Where'd he go? That boy's catching fish like mad.
Where you at, brother?
I'm supporting. I'm leading the cheer.
Oh, nice.
So, Mark Anthony, is your phone in Mark's name?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's who's calling.
Right now?
I didn't catch it. Huh? Because that's why I called you and asked if you called.
Oh, that
Because
must
by
have been
the
Jay.
time I got to the phone, they just hung up.
Oh, yeah?
It said James Marcus.
Oh, yeah, that's Mark's phone. Guess what, Miss? You're on video.
Son, not now.
We got that on video, too.
Wait till I look decent.
Well, you look beautiful, and it's kind of shadowy, so just keep smiling and play it off. Okay, well, we're here after the big fish event.
And the men of the family are excited
Oh,
because of the fish they caught.
Because of the fish. You could be the recorder.
Okay.
You could be the recorder.
So what do I do?
Oh, it's already recording.
Oh.
Just point it wherever you want to, or turn it around the other way. See the screen? Turn it around. Look in the screen. No, turn around. See the screen?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to record, just point the screen towards it so you can see.